Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this really nice coffee table that this brand sent to me for this video, which is now our new coffee table. I have to say that it looks really nice. By the way, the assembly process is explained here. We did it with my wife in about 30 minutes. I think 30 minutes, no more than that. It is really simple, I have to say. If you have power tools, it's gonna be a little bit better. I don't know, my cat is here right now, but doesn't matter. But with this one, you're gonna have about 20 inches tall. So it's gonna be about 20 inches tall and about 31.5, 32 inches wide. But there's something really cool about this one. Let me show you. Okay, so number one, you have this right here. So let's say that you're sitting right here and it's something to be closer because you want to eat while watching TV. Boom. You have storage right here. And at the same time, you have a table kind of like that gets closer to you to either work from home or just like enjoy the kind of like drinks or something like that. But if that storage is not enough, check this out. You also have this storage, which I think it is fantastic because you can put pillows, you can put blankets, you can put books, you can put anything you want actually, and just make sure that you have those two places to put the storage and just enjoy a nice coffee table, which is a big and nice coffee table, but at the same time have something convenient and reliable to do some storage as well. I do like this one, and I do have to say that it looks fantastic, but also super versatile with all the storage that can offer. Easy assemble, looks really good, modern, stylish, and convenient to have.